Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Cinema HD app to your Firestick in 2025. And without any further ado, the very first step you gotta take is, of course, you need to have the app code downloader on your Firestick. So if you already have downloader and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course follow me. So we go to the search bar on the Firestick, open it and start typing downloader in a search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it and here is this orange app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet because you still need to set it up. So now to set up downloader, we go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then just scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and in here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick, open it, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on a screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device, locate downloader, and open it up. So let's open downloader, and here we'll enter a code to download the Cinema HD app to your Firestick. The code will be 59745. So once again, 59745. That is the code we're entering. Click on go, and now while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the app to your Firestick. And after the app is downloaded, you also need to install it to your device by clicking on the install button right here. So click on it, and now the app will be fully installed. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't really need anymore on your Firestick, by clicking on delete and delete once again. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it. And now at the bottom you will find the Cinema HD app. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.